Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. I want to ask, do you grow garden geraniums in your garden? Let's talk about how to plant and grow garden geranium. This is a herbaceous perennial flower for a sunny garden with beautiful openwork foliage and delightful lilac, blue, and pink flowers. Geranium begins to decorate the garden with its flowers in May. The plant has peduncles, each of which has 2 to 3 flowers. Geranium blooms all summer long, starting in May and ending in July. Some varieties of geranium bloom again in August and September. The plant spreads a pleasant aroma characteristic of geraniums. Where is the best place to plant garden geranium? Plants love the sun and partial shade. The height of an adult plant is 10 to 12 inches or 25 to 30 centimeters. The width of an adult plant is 15 to 17 inches or 35 to 40 centimeters. Geranium looks very impressive in a group planting with other flowers. The plant can be planted in flower arrangements in discounts and borders. Geranium planting and care. The plant prefers sunny places, but garden plots with a light, openwork shade can also be used. Fertile, well-drained soil is the best choice for planting and growing geraniums. Such soil exhibits the decorative characteristics of geranium. If the summer is dry, the perennial needs regular watering. The plant easily tolerates transplantation and quickly takes root in a new place. Another advantage of geraniums is their resistance to diseases. Winter hardiness in geraniums is high. The plant hibernates without shelter. What are geraniums good for in the garden? Companion planting with geraniums is so beneficial because they deter some very common and destructive pests. Geraniums are known to repel Japanese beetles, earworms, and cabbage worms. In October, I planted several varieties of geraniums in my garden. The most beautiful variety is the Himalayan geranium birch double. The peculiarity of this perennial is very beautiful flowers. These are miniature terry lilac roses. The flower measures approximately 1.5 inches. Himalayan geranium grows more slowly than other varieties of geranium. Another variety of geranium in my garden is Geranium blood red striatum. Geranium striatum is a profusely flowering variety with delicate pink flowers. The flowering period is about 3 months, June-August. Flower size 1 inch. Another variety of geranium in my garden is Margaret Wilson dark geranium. This is a bright, interesting variety of geranium, which is distinguished by original painted leaves. The height of an adult plant is 12 inches or 30 centimeters. The width of an adult plant is up to 20 inches or 50 centimeters. Flowering period June-August. Landing and care. Shaded areas of the garden are best for growing this variety. The shade brings out the white marbled contrast of the leaves of this geranium variety. The plant is winter hardy, zone 4. The secret to proper geranium care is regular watering and light fertilization. When autumn tillage, apply a small amount of mineral fertilizers or humus. Flowers should be pruned after flowering. I hope this video about planting and growing geraniums is useful and interesting for you. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later.